how to order the Cash App Tappable Wand. So here's how it works. Load up Cash App, then you want to click on the bank icon at the bottom. Once you click on it, then above your balance you will see get your free card. Click on that option and then you want to select get your free card at the bottom. Now from here you will see all of the designs and you have the option of the wand here. So once you click on the wand, then you can just tap it to pay. It's cute like your card and kind of magical. So it's a very nice little gimmick here, and you have details for it. You have specs for it. So how tall is it? It's 4.3 inches tall, 1.7 wide, and yeah, NFC chip is going to be inside. So if you go and pay, you will go ahead and just tap it and you can use your card that way. So essentially you just need to have an NFC. It's required for it. So if you have an NFC, you will be able to purchase it here, and that way you can get the wand. So I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.